Hello children, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. In this session, let us discuss about one of the most important problems which is given in the previous year public examination questions from chapter trigonometry. Coming to question number 1, if A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that sin of A plus B by 2 plus cos of A plus B by 2 equal to cos C by 2 plus sin C by 2. Okay, as they said, A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC. This is our triangle A, B, C. Angle A, angle B, angle C are interior angles of triangle ABC. We know that angle sum property of a triangle. In a triangle, sum of the three angles equal to 180 degrees. I mean A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Here we have only A plus B by 2 is there. What to do? This plus C you transpose. So A plus B equal to 180 minus C. But whereas we have here A plus B by 2. So what you do? Divided by 2 on both sides. So this will become A plus B by 2 equal to, I can write as 180 by 2 minus C by 2. As 2 belongs to 180 as well as to the C. So A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2. I can write as 90 minus C by 2. So what is A plus B by 2? A plus B by 2 is nothing but 90 minus C by 2. So let us check LHS here. So LHS is this. Sin of, in the place of A plus B by 2, in place of A plus B by 2, I can write as 90 minus C by 2. Yes, 90 minus C by 2 plus cos of, in place of A plus B by 2, I can write as 90 minus C by 2. So we know that what is sin 90 minus theta, which is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Theta is nothing but cos C by 2 plus, which is in the form of cos 90 minus theta, which is nothing but sin theta. Again, what we got, children? We got cos C by 2 plus sin C by 2. We got RHS. Nothing but LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. Is it clear how we proved? Also, they are asking the same method of problem in exercise 11.3, question number 5, same. If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then they may also ask to prove that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. Okay, same method problem. If A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. They may ask anything, but the process is same. Simply, in place of tan, so tan, let it be tan only. What is A plus B by 2, children? We know that A plus B by 2 is nothing but 90 minus C by 2. Students, what is tan 90 minus theta? As tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Again, what we got? We got RHS only. I mean LHS equal to RHS. Hence, proved. Okay. So this is the one of the most important problem they are going to ask in the public examinations. Now coming to question number 3, which is also one of the important topic. We call it as elimination of theta. So given if x equal to a sec theta, right? As a is multiplying here, transfer this side. X by a equal to sec theta. Now coming to second one, y equal to b tan theta, b you transpose, y by b equal to tan theta. X by a equal to sec theta, y by b equal to tan theta, right? Is it clear? Now what you do? Squaring on both sides. Here also squaring on both sides. So this will become x by a whole square equal to sec square theta. This will become y by b whole square equal to tan square theta, right? So x by a whole square I can write x square by a square equal to sec square theta. This I can write as y square by b square equal to tan square theta, right? So children, so now what is LHS here? Now let us consider LHS, as our LHS is x square by a square minus y square by b square, right? So this is our LHS. Okay, let us prove LHS equal to RHS. So as we know that x square by a square is nothing but sec square theta, and minus y square by b square is nothing but tan square theta. What is our second trigonometric identity? As we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. What we got? We got RHS, right? So I mean LHS is 1 as well as RHS is also 1. So therefore x square by a square minus y square by b square value is 1. Now coming to second one, which is also one of the important topic. Is it correct to say that sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta? Yes, of course they are. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Yes. Actually answer is yes. Why? Let me explain. Okay, this is our right angle triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degrees. Suppose that angle C equal to theta. Can you guess what is angle A? Because in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. What about the other two angles? The sum of other two angles will be actually here angle A plus angle C must be 90 degrees. Because already one angle 90. The other two acute angles are A and C, whose sum must be equal to how much? 90. Because angle sum property of a triangle is, in a triangle sum of the three angles must be equal to 180 degrees. So 90 plus 90, 180. I mean this, if you add these two acute angles, it must be 90. Already we consider angle C as theta. Angle A plus theta equal to 90. Theta you transpose, angle A equal to what? 90 minus theta. See, in triangle ABC, if angle C is theta, then angle A is 90 minus theta. Right? Now you see. Now let us consider sin theta. What is sin ratio? As sin ratio is opposite with respect to theta, opposite side is AB and adjacent hypotenuse is AC. Okay? So sin theta means we got AB by AC. Now let us consider RHS, cos 90 minus theta. What is cos ratio? Because with respect to 90 minus theta, cos is nothing but adjacent side to the hypotenuse. As adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Clearly if you observe, sin is nothing but AB by AC. This is our equation number 1. Cos 90 minus theta is nothing but AB by AC. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, if you observe right hand side, they both are equal. AB by AC, AB by AC. If right hand sides are equal, I can equate left hand side. Nothing but sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Yes, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What is sin? Sin theta is nothing but cos 90 minus theta. What is cos 90? What is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but sin 90 minus theta. In the same manner. Now, what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta. And what is cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but tan 90 minus theta. Right? What is sec theta? Sec theta is nothing but cosec 90 minus theta. What is cosec theta? Cosec theta is nothing but sec 90 minus theta. They may also ask this remaining also. Okay children, I hope you understood these two sums. Yes. Now coming to question number 5. Ravi says the value of tan 0 degrees, tan 1 degrees into tan 2 degrees and so on into tan 89 degrees is 0. Do you agree with Ravi? Give reasons. So children, tan 0, we know that 0. How can I write as tan 1? Tan 1 I can write as tan 90 minus 89 into tan 2 I can write as tan 90 minus 88 and so on, tan 88 degrees into tan 89 degrees, right? So 0 into tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus 89, cot 89, again tan 90 minus 89, 88, cot 88 and so on into tan 88 into tan 89. Okay, so tan cot 89 I can write as 1 by tan 89, cot 88 I can write as 1 by tan 88, and so on. Tan 88 into tan 89, tan 88, tan 88, tan 89, tan 89 cancel. 0 into 1 into 1 into and so on. So 0 into something, 0 into 1 into 1 into 1 and so on 1. So 0 into 1, 0. Do you agree with him? Yes, I agree with the Ravi. Okay children. So see, there will be a combination here. If it is 1 here, here it will be 89. If it is 2 here, there will be 88. There will be a combinations. Okay, don't confuse. Also they are asking, explain the meaning of cos A. What is the meaning of cos A? Cos A is nothing but the ratio of, cos A is the ratio of what? Adjacent side to an angle theta to the length of hypotenuse. To the length of the hypotenuse, which is constant in all similar right angle triangles. So ratio is constant for all similar right triangles. Okay, sometimes we can also call as this angle, we can also call as cosine of that angle. Cos A, we call it as cosine of that angle. That is the meaning of cos A. I mean, you have to write, it is the ratio, cos ratio is what? Adjacent side to an angle theta to the length of the hypotenuse is constant for all similar right angles. That's all. Next, what can you say about the values of sin A and cos A as the measure of an angle increases from 0 to 90? As the measure of an angle increasing from 0 to 90 degrees. Students, we know that sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. I mean, if you observe that as the theta is increasing from 0 to 90 degrees, as the value of sin A is also increasing. If theta increases from 0 to 90, the values of sin A also increasing. But whereas theta increases, sin A value also increases. Now coming to cos ratio, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. As the value of cos theta increasing from 0 to 90 degrees, cos A values are what? It is decreasing, depletion, right? As theta is increasing, cos A value is decreasing, right? Is it clear, students? What is the meaning of this statement? If theta increases from 0 to 90 degrees, sin A value also increases. If theta increases from 0 to 90 degrees, cos values are decreasing. Okay? So these are the types of problems mostly they are asking in the public examination. Okay children?